awards to the grade 4 students. We will start with the grade 4 boys. Asiron Irvic James, most inquisitive, most cheerful, most courteous, best in body smart, and with honors. Congratulations! Bolivar Simon M. Most behaved, most thoughtful, neatest handwriting and artistic hand. Congratulations! Espiloa Sadi Franci, most responsible, most inquisitive, most active, best in people smart, and with honors. Congratulations! The woman most energetic, most cheerful, neatest handwriting, and best in word smart. Congratulations! Masablo ZMD, most inclusive, most creative, most generous, and best in nature smart. Congratulations! Mendoza Simon Reyes C. Most cheerful, most creative, most inquisitive, and artistic hand. Congratulations! Aurelia Rainer A. Most independent, most energetic, best in body smart, perfect attendance, and with honors. Congratulations! Sumayang Shelo Yunel B. Most inquisitive, most helpful, most thoughtful, and best in body smart. Congratulations! Langia Nash Lawrence P. Most motivated, most behaved, most cooperative, best in picture smart, and with honors. Congratulations! Grade 4 girls, Calasara Pyra Luis I. Most adaptable, most obedient, most behaved, best in self-smart, and with honors. Congratulations! Catalunya April Lucia F. Most reliable, most responsible, most dependable, best in word smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Pailorca Apojoy D. Most inquisitive, most thoughtful, and best in people smart. Congratulations. Hermanas Marian Lane D. Most courteous, most cheerful, most inquisitive, and best in people smart. Congratulations. Gonzalez LJ Maxine O. Most adaptable, most responsible, best in word smart, best in logic smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Bruno Siding JD, most behaved, most dependable, best in logic smart, best in self smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Lauren Raven Happy, most cheerful, most inquisitive, most active, artistic hands, and with honors. Congratulations. Lucas Benjamin D. Most neat, most behaved, most dependable, and best in self-smart. Congratulations. Manupa Akasha Berlin P. Most dependable, most reliable, best in word smart, best in picture smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Pablo Charmin Jassi, most reliable, best in artistic hand, best in logic smart, best in word smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Marisa Anita Shimbi, most thoughtful, most energetic, most inquisitive, and best in very smart. Congratulations. Perez Juliana Perry L. Most obedient, most behaved, most dependable, best in self-smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Samonte Uni B. Most gorgeous, most modest, most behaved, best in word smart, and with honors. Congratulations. Torres Kyrie Colleen R. Most modest, most thoughtful, most behaved, and artistic hands. Congratulations. hands. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations.